up, guys? So this is the battle of 110 dirt bikes. So we're just gonna compare them and see which one is better. So Honda versus Kawi, and make sure to subscribe because that trick shot took a while. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're just going to go over the facts real quick. This is a 2023 Kawasaki 110, the RL model, so it's got the clutch, and I think it's got a little bit stiffer suspension and more suspension travel. This is I'm pretty sure it's either a 2016 or a 2017. 2016. It's a 2016 Honda 110. They both have electric starts, but yeah, the seat height's a little bit taller. This one's a little bit shorter, so this one might be more for your beginners because it's shorter, does not have the clutch. This one, I don't know, is more of a bigger bike. I like it more because it's got the clutch, better suspension for me because I'm heavier. But yeah, they both look cool, they both run amazing. I like the green, I like red too. So yeah, we're just gonna go compare them. It's like the clutch, it's like the bigger one versus the smaller one. So yeah, but this one we've already broken the rear fender from doing wheelies. I actually didn't do that, my dad did, because I'm a pro at wheelies. So guys, if you watched the big versus small bike, that 250 whooped that thing. So we're going to be testing out the smaller 110 versus the bigger 110. We're just going to do 2 laps around the track just like last time.
Ready, set, go. Okay, 1 lap, 46 seconds. What
What do we get for time?
128.
128.
And I stopped it right at this thing.
Alright.
Ready, set, go. Seconds, 5 seconds faster this lap. $121, 7 seconds faster.
Okay. Yeah. I feel like this one has a little more power. And I feel like I can corner better, and the suspension is just so much better for eating up and stuff. And this one's taller. I feel like I can ride it harder, you know, but
yeah.
Yeah, you can just tell when I land or whatever that one has better suspension. This one though, I still like riding it.
Yeah. It's itchy.
I feel like definitely this bike is better for someone my size or anything. If you were getting a 110, guys, for like your kid who should be on a 110, I definitely recommend the Honda. But if you want a pit bike for yourself, I'd recommend this one.
Does a wheelie. What is he doing? It definitely seems harder.
Well, guys, that's how you do a wheelie with training wheels. This one I feel like is definitely way harder to wheelie. Like, I just feel like it doesn't have that blurb like that.
I feel like it's heavier too. They like looks heavier.
Well, guys, make sure to subscribe to see more videos on these bikes and see our videos throughout the summer. We're planning on doing a bunch of cool stuff like more dirt bike videos, jet skiing vids, water skipping snowmobiles, mudding videos, just doing crazy stuff on water. Like, there's a lake out there. We're just gonna be doing a bunch of crazy stuff. So make sure to subscribe to see that stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. And make sure to check out our new episode videos. We're making episodes on our Bad Neighborhood series. So make sure to check those out. And make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. This looks like this is just muck. Like, if we were to take a four-wheeler through here.
You would be under that.
Too bad I didn't have my Foreman still. If you guys don't know what my Foreman is, I used to have a, when I was younger, like my first four-wheeler ever. I thought it was so cool to have mud and four-wheeler, so I had a 2015 Honda Foreman on 30-inch Outlaw 2s, lift kit, snorkels, and then a radiator to relocate that I sold because I wanted money for a dirt bike. But man, maybe one day I'll buy it back.
That one was closer. Damn.